How to make elixir of justice. Have you ever wanted to be immune to death and never be killed? Imagine being invincible to your enemies and never feel pain. Follow these professional instructions to make a higher quality potion and maybe impress your friends with your new skills. You will need the following equipment: a normal sized cauldron, ideally made out of copper, but a brass one will work just as good. A set of brass scales so you can weigh the amount of ingredients required for your potion. A phial to store dangerous liquids and gases any type will do. Your wand. A spoon to mix the ingredients together. A thermometer to check the temperature of the potion. A timer and a kitchen mash. Ingredients. Half a bottle of red wine to use as a source of the potion. 5 leeches that have drunk elf blood 24 hours before use. You can get elf blood at the leaky cauldron. 1 grain of unicorn hair. Do not purchase more than this as it is very expensive and you only need 1 grain of it. 1 ashwinder egg cooked for half an hour. And 30 grams of pearl dust, 2 cod eyeballs mixed in with vinegar. If you wish to make more of the potion, double the ingredients. Method. Firstly, wash your hands with magic salt. This will make brewing easier. You can summon magic salt using your wand. Double check it is magic salt, as if you get it wrong it will destroy magic. Next, grab your cauldron and put it over your fire. Make sure your cauldron does not have any liquid in it as it needs to heat up before use to stop it sticking to the pot. Leave over the fire for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your cauldron should be heated. Check using your thermometer and then you can apply the red wine. Carefully make sure you have put enough in. If you have done it correctly, the wine should be bubbling. Then, add your leeches. Make sure they have drunk elf blood 24 hours before use. Most people normally mess this part up, so use a timer to make sure they have. You can get higher quality elf blood at Dagon Alley. After that, put your ashwinder egg over the fire. Leave on there for half an hour. During this time, add 1 grain of the unicorn hair. Do not add more than this, as unicorn hair is extremely powerful and it will make an explosion. Now, add your ashwinder egg to your usual wand to carefully lift it into the potion. Make sure you do not spill it as it will make a pongy odour. Then, get your spoon and give it a good stir. Make sure it is very runny. After that, get the pearl dust and sprinkle it into the potion. Your potion should be a deep red colour. If it is not, you might have to start again. Check using the instructions to make sure you have done it correctly. Finally, cut up the eyeballs in half so there are 4 pieces of eyeballs. Then, slide them into the tonic. Then, get your wand and enchant the potion and it should now be finished. Now you can be the strongest wizard / witch in your town. Enjoy the safe living hour. Warning. Large amounts of the potion may lead to illness. Only 1 shot of elixir of justice per month. After the hour you might suffer extreme hyperanalysis. Please drink responsibly.